Okay, so this is the home, number 919 East Orlando. Nice quiet neighborhood. The neighbors are using it as a parking lot, I think. You've got the 2-car garage. It's dark paint. They do have gutters, so that's good. And the door to the efficiency is through here, which I'll show you from the other side. But it's a nice community. Nice little subdivision, quiet. And the home is undergoing some kind of a modification with the plumbing pipes, and the drywall has been cut where they are fixing everything. Nice covered front porch. Fenced backyard. The dark brown paint, actually it can be painted a different color, but that's what it is right now. Nice tile. So you do have a nice tile, 20 by 20. You've got the sunken living room, but as you can see, the drywall has been cut. They are redoing the drywall, interior, electric, and maybe pipes and all. So it still has a lot of work to be done. A lot of things have been changed. Let's start from this side so you can see. And as you come in, you come to this hallway. If you go right, you've got this first guest bedroom here. Nice size bedroom. That's a wood frame wall right there. So it has some concrete block on the sides, but not everywhere, like in the front is wood frame. All the drywall is cut. Coat closet. Second bedroom, guest bedroom, looking to the back of the property. The pool, we'll check it out from the outside, but it might need some cleaning, some deep cleaning, maybe even resurfacing. That's the closet, the walk-in closet for this bedroom. Now this is the guest bathroom. So you have the dual sinks with granite countertop. But even the cabinet doors have been removed. Everything below has been removed. Those are the pipes right there that they're changing. So it's being replumbed right now, I believe. Everything is being redone. Nice tile shower that goes into the extended patio, but let's look at it from the other side. So I know we've done with that. So as you come in, you've got this little area here. It can be further opened up into the living room, but this could be like a family room. And then you do have the kitchen with the dining area right here. AC duct, It needs updating. Even if they replumb it, these cabinets are really old. It needs new cabinets as well. Pantry. This is the dining. That's going back towards the front door right there. Laundry room. Here's the two-car garage. So you've got the washer dryer here. Usually they would be in that laundry room, but they brought them out. There's the AC, which looks like it's really old. Hot water heater looks old. And this would be the master bedroom. There's the pipes that need to be changed, copper pipes. Walk-in closet. That's where the new pipes are going, right there with the PVC. Light switches, everything is pretty old, quite old. Now you do have these French doors that come out to this covered extended patio. And there's your efficiency right there with its own entrance. Needs new flooring. Like a little kitchenette set up over here. So this is the extension. Looking out to the pool deck. And here's the other room, the fourth bedroom, or the efficiency room. This would be the bathroom for the efficiency. And here is its own entrance on the side of the home that's going back towards the front. As you can see, this AC is old, so the AC needs to be changed as well. There's your fence. Check out outside. So now we are in the patio, and near the pool deck there is some chain link fence. It's double fenced. Pool surface needs to be redone. Unfortunately, needs too much work. That fence is broken, so they just have it blocked with the new piece over there. Oh, and this area needs roof. The roof does look old as well, so it would need a new roof. And I think that's the storage right there. It's locked. That would be the storage area. do get some air travel as well, air traffic. Pool surface over here is good, but up there it really needs to be redone. And that's pretty much it for this one.